unboxing on my channel. I think I should change my channel name to friggin' Unboxing Sprite or something like that, because it seems like that's all I'm doing lately. But today I have for you the G29, the new revised one for the PlayStation 5. I don't know if you can see that. There are some subtle differences, they said there is, but I may never know. I never really dig deep into it. But this is the PS5 version, so that's that. And I brought this shifter because I cannot own a car in real life unless I have manual. But anyway, let's get into it. First one is gonna be the shifter itself. I can breeze through this because I'm sure you guys saw it 100 times. It's more content for the channel, you know what I'm saying? So I never had a steering wheel before for gaming because I never really feel the need for it. I thought it was maybe like a PC type stuff, but you know, let me just try something different this time. What comes in the box is obviously the shifter itself, and I guess it's a manual that they glued onto the side of the box for some apparent reason, but we ain't gonna get into that. The specs, there's no specs on here. It's just a shifter. Let's just look at it, see how it is. There are accessories to make the shifter a little bit better, but I'm not really going to get into it like that. I guess when the new VR comes out, I'll try to dabble in that with the shifter. You know, try to make it more immersion. Try to focus on that. You guys can see that. Just by playing with it like this, it doesn't really feel like real life. It doesn't really feel like real life, but it is what it is, you know. It's just plastic. We'll see how it is. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to play it today because the rig that I ordered didn't come in yet. It's coming from Amazon. For some apparent reason, they haven't delivered it yet. So we'll see. This is straight from Best Buy, so I guess it was next day delivery. So here we go. All right, so I'm gonna get and open this big box up and see what's in it, what it comes with. I know it's gonna take up all the screen right now, but like I said, this is the revised one. I don't know if it got parts from the what is it, 923 or something like that. The newest one that came out. I don't know if they got parts from that one, but I didn't dig into it like that. I just heard that this is a newer version. So obviously there's a power brick, an adapter for the steering wheel itself, a little booklet. This, I'm not gonna go this far and do all of this. Just something just to hold the steering wheel itself. That's the most I'll do because I'm not really like a sim driver or anything like that. I just want to try it out. And you can tell I got the PS5 logo on it. Could be the same thing. Could be just like, you know, to get you to buy it more or whatever. Maybe it wasn't selling as much. First thing I see is the foot pedals. Let's get this out the way for now. And take a look at the pedals. So right away, it's plastic. When people say it's plastic, I didn't really think it was gonna be like plastic, but it is plastic. You get a better zoom in a little bit or try to like angle it. All right, so plastic, a little bit of grip. Maybe. Oh. Yeah, the brake feel kind of real. Clutch, yeah, I would say it's kind of accurate to how it feels in real life, especially the clutch. But from all the cars I drove in stick, these are turned upside down. They said that you can open this up, take out the mount itself, the frame itself, and turn upside down on a piece of wood to make it feel like real life. But I ain't gonna do all that, like I said before. And it does come with these carpet spikes. I guess they say you gotta like friggin' press it and it pops up. But I'm not gonna use that. Like I said, I have a rig that's coming. I'm gonna be using it on that. Let's get to the steering wheel now. Piece la resistance. Let's kind of get that out. Let's see what's in this bad boy. I like the smell. It smells pretty damn good. Man, this smell. Damn. It smells good, man. Sheesh. So this is the steering wheel. Feels like leather. Feels like brand new leather. It could be real leather. It's not really that leathery. It feels like leather, but it's, you can tell when it's like real leather. Could be real leather. All the PlayStation buttons right here. Pretty clicky. Doesn't feel like a DualSense. I figured maybe they'd make it feel like a DualSense. Doesn't feel like a DualSense. I'm probably not gonna use all these. Most of those are for PCs. And it has the plugs under it for the shifter and the pedals itself. And of course the power cord. So that's just a quick unboxing. First time for everything. Paddle shifters. Never used paddle shifter before in the car. So that's basically it. Give you a wider look of everything. We have that. We have the shifter. I wish I can use them today, but I can't. And we got the foot pedals. I'm never gonna put that on the table because it's not gonna fit. But anyway, that's the unboxing of the G29, the new revised one, specially made for the PS5 or focused on the PS5. I don't know how it's possible. It could be like a marketing thing, but it's focused on the PS5 and the shifter. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, or you don't have to thumbs up, you don't have to, but that's it. I'll see you guys later. Peace.